Imagine your coding agent could interact directly with your browser, opening pages, sending commands, and working with Opera Neon from your coding environment. That's what the Opera Browser CLI enables. It works inside tools like Cursor, Codex, Cloud Code, and more, or directly from your terminal. In this video, we'll set up the Opera Browser CLI for Cursor and Codex. Then run a simple command to verify the setup. Let's start with the setup inside Cursor. First, open Cursor and run npm install Opera Browser CLI. This installs the Opera Browser CLI globally and starts the setup flow. Once that's done, I run another command to test if the connection is working. Run Opera Browser CLI open operaneon.com. If everything is set up correctly, Opera Neon opens directly from Cursor. Cursor sends the command, the Opera Browser CLI handles it, and the page opens inside Opera Neon. Now let's do the same setup inside Codex. Open Codex and run the same setup command as before. npm install Opera Browser CLI. After the setup is done, let's make sure the setup works by running the second command again. Opera Browser CLI open Opera Neon. The command is sent from Codex, Opera Browser CLI executes it, and the Opera Neon landing page opens in the browser. Now the setup for both Cursor and Codex is complete. That's the Opera Browser CLI setup for Cursor and Codex. Install the CLI, run the setup, and your coding tools now have a direct way to work with the browser.